So it'd be -2 to their weapon skill, but they're not getting into combat.
No.
My Colt Mechanicus, I have 6 units left. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I did shrouding. I did reroll and shooting. I did reroll and shooting twice. I did. Oh, you know what?
What's up?
I'll make the entire army stubborn.
I just realized how little you have on the table.
Oh, I know, you've killed a crap load of stuff.
The Cataphrons, though, those fucking things are brutal, man. I just don't have the firepower to take them out.
All right,
you know?
here comes call. D3 shots.
They're 2 wounds apiece, right?
Yeah, 1 shot. 2 to hit. Hits.
You shooting Dreadnought?
Yep.
1.
Fuck you, call.
Good. I don't roll that save.
God damn it. I need him to die.
Wait a second, this guy's dead.
Yeah.
I was like, wait a second, why do I have 6 Marines and an attack Marine there?
That's a Devastator squad, right?
Yes. They're all objective secure.
Yeah, I know.
He isn't by himself,
No, I know.
but everything I have on the table besides that Tech Marine and the Vindicator is objective secure.
I couldn't do what I wanted to do. Oh well.
Did you see the price on that next Triumvirate box?
No.
With Gilman, it's 90. Not bad. I was expecting it to be around 100, more closer to 100 to tell you the truth.
That's great. Because the other one was 85.
It was 75 for the Eldar one, 80.
Yeah, it was like 80 or
80 for
the
the one with Crawl in it, and then it was 80, 75, and this one's 90.
3 bolters at these 2 guys here.
What's up? Points.
Check it all, Brent.
Did they give you points?
What's that?
What's he at points wise?
Oh, I have no idea.
You didn't ask questions.
He's still on the table, so that's good.
His strength shot, strength 8.
This thing was wrecked, wasn't it?
Yeah, that's dead.
Drop pod still kicking. Drop pod still kicking now.
All right. He's gonna do D3 shot. They're gonna shoot this drop pod. 2 shots. 2 hits. Force to glance. 1 glance.
On the drop pod.
Yeah, that's 1 whole point.
Are you going down? Are you coming down, Sean?
What's that?
We were all talking quietly. We were all yelling and cussing at each other and having fun. You're thinking,
about things, yeah.
stressing,
Plasma.
putting the heat on.
3 hits.
I gotta start being confident again. I can't be worried about what's going on. I gotta start being like, oh, you felt that?
Another whole point. What's he got? 3?
Yeah, drop pods are 3.
God damn it. These goddamn drop pods.
These guys have drop pods. Goddamn drop pods. You're gonna get a ridiculous conversation. I like being in this room secluded from all those retards.
They're gonna shoot here. 3 phosphor blasters. 1 hit. 4. You suck.
That's what we've been doing all night. When we really want to do something, it doesn't let us do it.
Are you jinking?
With what, that bike? Where are you shooting at me?
The grav and the phosphor blasters.
What's
Too
my
late.
cover?
You should have done it first.
I didn't roll nothing.
You're good. You want to jink?
My cover would be 5.
Yeah.
Yeah, why not?
That's why I was shooting the
Yeah.
phosphor, because it'd make it -1.
I don't even think you'd be able to get me. I guess all you have to do is...
You only have one wound.
I guess I'll allow
Yeah,
it.
you're taller.
I guess I'll allow it. You could help. I'm only taller because of my model for disadvantage.
Well, that's what happens, man. Model yourself for disadvantage, you get disadvantage.
That thing's bigger than
Nah.
yes, it is. I have the real one.
Dude.
Yeah, the base is way bigger than the other one.
Oh, like diameter wise?
Not way bigger, but probably like a ½ inch on each side.
Four Jinx saves?
I have a cheap one. I have a resin one. I got it for free.
Oh, Gant's got one back there.
Yeah, I'm not buying that. I'll stick with my one.
know.
It was like 15 bucks. Two? Four. Okay, where's two? I died. Feel no pains?
Yep.
That would have been awesome. Alright, he's dead. I was pretty sure he was gonna
Celestine's gonna assault the drop pod. These guys are gonna assault this drop pod. And then we got this.
Can they even do anything?
Yeah.
What do they have?
His
I'm
maul
just
is
curious.
haywire.
Oh, his maul. Okay.
And his strength 5, haywire.
I thought it was Harry Potter fan.
They get 8.
I forgot the mauls are haywire.
Yeah, they're arc mauls.
Well, it makes sense as soon as you.
7. Just pump them in.
Yeah, you got it.
Celestine's the only one that can do anything.
Yeah, but the bitches gotta move. They
Auto
gotta
hit.
snuggle that drop on.
They're gonna poke at it in the meantime.
Snuggle that drop pod. Snuggle.
6 auto hits. So 5. So I need 8.
What's
9.
your strength?
5. I need 9.
Yeah.
5 plus nothing. There's a pen.
Yeah.
Plus. There's a pen. Plus. There's a pen. Oh, that's a glance. So it's dead. Plus. Plus 7. Nothing. So 3 pens. And 2 pens and a
Yeah, you
glance.
can't blow it up. So you can
1,
free right.
2, 3. Yeah, but it's open top.
Open top, so yeah, you can. Gotta roll down. Blow it up. Blow it up.
Nope.
Alright. Cool beans. Yeah, you give a shit. That was
That's my mark.
How many hull points does an ironclad have?
3.
3.
Okay.
Who is Ironclad?
The other guy does.
Yeah. All dreadnoughts are 3, except for the Leviathan.
Here.
Overwatch. The vehicle should be able to overwatch.
My knight should be able to overwatch.
My knights can.
The Atropos.
No. The I usually run them in that 3 formation, where if they're close to the seneschal, they can overwatch.
Oh, okay. So.
The court or baronial court or whatever. I think that's what the one it is.
So my sergeant has 2 base, 3 for the charge, 4 for 2 close combat ones. Auto hits. Anything but a 1.
Anything but a 1.
Yeah, it's haywire.
Oh, haywire, yeah.
There's a pen and 3 glances.
All right, good for you. You got it.
And it does it blow up? No, it does
It'd
not.
be funny if it blew up and killed that guy. All right, man.
So here,
Yeah.
3 attacks, 3 hits.
Ooh. Duck and roll.
They're all,
Yes.
Oh, one's alive.
Yes. Yes. Oh no. Did he break?
That's your melt-a-gun. Or that's your melt-a-bomb.
Melt-a-bomb's
He's
right
dead.
All right.
Need a 4.
I'm gonna fucking fail.
Yes!
Rerolls.
Dumps. 3. Right on this guy here. First one. Second one. 2. Third one. 2. There's
What's
one.
the AP on that?
E8 armor.
That's the normal. It's only 6s when I do it, right?
Armor.
I fail.
Fail.
Good. 4, 5, -2. Yeah.
Here.
All right.
2 attacks.
Damn, I'm going down in attacks.
Uh-oh.
hit. Nothing.
Uh-oh. Oh, 2 more.
You gotta win
Twos.
me.
2.
Good.
Oh, I
knew
thought they
that
were
was
going to do
gonna
it.
happen.
Thought they were going to pull it out this turn
All right,
again.
man. My turn.
We'll roll to see if we go. Oh, yeah, bottom of 6.
Yeah,
Bottom
I
of 5,
get
sorry.
the last turn,
Yeah.
and then we roll.
Oh, no void so bad.
There you go. I gotta fuck some man. God damn it, I always forget I'm good.
You hear a lot of cursing. That's not good.
Who, me?
Yeah.
No, it's fine. It's a close game. There's not really much I can do. I'm just kind of like maneuvering, shifting.
Fingertip grasp.
Yeah. Do I have to roll when I'm in here?
Yeah.
They're right over this wall. They're actually on the bottom floor. I'm just not dealing with it. They're actually gonna run.
Okay.
Run, you don't minus the terrain,
Yep.
correct?
You're 1.
Fuck.
That's what I'm talking about.
Fuck.
I needed that.
Yeah, you did. Alright,
You gonna assault her?
no.
No?
I'm gonna run.
There we go.
It's good enough.
1 to 6.
Don't care. I'm fucking Kirk.
Combat.
Cliff said to tell Sean to stop slow playing me. I'm not even answering back. I'll wait till see if the game ends.
Combat.
Combat. Yeah,
Which one do you want to do first?
that one.
Okay.
That's the one I'm most interested in.
Do your 2.
I know what's gonna happen over there.
2 hits. Nothing.
Eat it.
I'm good.
Eat it, you fuck face.
1. 1.
Oh.
1 armor.
There we go.
Uh-oh.
Feel no pain. Nope. Lost another guy. Hand me the melted gun. He's been gone for a long time.
Okay.
Let me roll and see.
Morale.
Let me see. Run back and capture that objective and game end.
Nope.
Oh,
You're good.
Staying.
This one here. 2 hit.
He's toast.
He's dead.
Can I go to ground?
No.
Get a 6 out.
Yeah, you can go to ground when he splats you.
Consolidate.
It's okay. It's alright. So.
Okay. Roll for 6.
Roll it in.
3 or better. Goes on to 6.
Good game.
Yeah, I mean, well, actually, this gives me the point ahead of you. Tie straight up.
Alrighty. They tie.
Train for these 2.
It's a damn close game for them.
It is a close game too.
Yeah.
Sean's gonna eke it out because you have to have everyone's worth 3.
If I have 3 and you have 3, I get 6 points.
Oh, I'm not gonna have the 3. You're gonna get your max. So I'm behind for 1.
I just don't have anything that's fast enough to get over there.
Good where?
Anywhere. Like over there to get that, like for that objective. Like I've got these guys over here, but I can't, you know what I mean? I can't get over there to do much. I got Celestine.
Well, what you do is 1, 2. You need to back. Well, crawl's in that one. So these 1.
I'll
2.
have 4. I'll have 3.
That's what I'm
I
saying.
have
You'll be
3
good.
right
You're
now.
gonna get your max unless it goes to turn 7, but you're still gonna do it because I don't have anything left. I
No,
only
max
have-
is 9. I would only get 6.
Oh, you have to have 4.
If I have,
You 3. If you have 3, but the thing is, I'm not gonna have the other 3 because he says I have to have 3. You have to have 3. I have to have 3. You get 6.
so if I control 3 and I get 7.
7.
As of right now, I get 7
Yeah.
because I have 3 and you have 2.
Yeah.
If I have 4 and you have 2, then I get 9. So I got to get that 4th objective, or I got to kill this unit here to hold to get that objective back.
And hope it does. Well,
And
it's possible for you to kill that unit.
yeah,
It's
It is.
possible for you to get that objective.
if I run my knight,
Yes.
I have to
If
run.
it
the
ends
knight
at
there.
6, this might be a little